that this tour was a little short. I also apologize for the camera work. I know even like now the camera's shaking. I'm trying out a whole new thing with tours and whatever, so this is a guinea pig video. But yeah, that's it for this Saturday's video. If you like it, give a big ol' thumbs up. If you want to see more of me, subscribe to my channel. I post videos every Saturday and Sunday. If you want to hear more from me, go ahead and follow me on all my social media accounts. All those links will be down bar below. And I will see you all next time. But until then,